Hello everybody and welcome to Visit FYLDE Coast. This video is going to follow exactly the same route that we kept walking around last year when we were in lockdown in the town centre, when it closed and then it opened and then it closed and then it opened and then it closed and then it opened again. And I think it's fair to say that Blackpool is open. So it's May Bank Holiday week. It's the Tuesday. We've been down on the beach, we've been on the seafront. It's about 11 o'clock in the morning as I'm filming this. And it's really busy, it's really warm. It's lovely, it's really nice to see it looking like it should do. So I'm going to take a walk on the same route that we've always taken through the town centre. And we're going to see how it looks so different today. So we're down near the Coral Island and the Sands building at the moment. So this is Coral Island on our left and the Sands building right in front of us. This is the new one that's supposed to be opening, well, sometime soon, not quite sure when. I would imagine they could cry with all the delays that they've had with coronavirus, but that's another matter. This is the entrance into Coral Island here. And they're actually running a competition to win Coral Island to yourself. If you want to enter that, you get the whole place to yourself and 20 mates and a meal thrown in. Got the lovely tower flying the orange Blackpool Football Club flag because they've just secured promotion into the Championship League. And this is busy corner. This is where the taxis all wait. This is the old Woolworths building where Poundland is. Poundland is open, but the Woolworths building is having some restoration work done. It's having heritage work done on the outside facade, so I would imagine that's going to look quite stunning when it's completed and open again. A street vendors back in action. Got a busker playing here. Let's go and have a look at listen at the busker. Oh, he's good. Oh, he's got a crow. Oh, I've seen this guy before. I was talking to him one day. He'd got the crow outside the Grand Theatre. It's good, isn't it? Very good. Houndshill's all open. Come and get your fidget toys. Whatever you do with one of them. Oh, Balloon Man's in town. Come and get your balloons. Goodness me, it's busy. Look at all the people. That's a bit cooler. It's really warm. It's not something that you often see in sunny seaside Britain, that it's very hot. But believe me, it's very warm. Everywhere's busy. Everybody's wanting to come out and make the best of a normal bank holiday week holiday. Sorry about that, the floor's a little bit up and down. Comedy Club, shout out to Wendy, one of our Brew at 2 viewers. And these guys are doing restoration work on the tower ballroom ceiling. I'm just wondering if he's going to wave. He's obviously shy. So that's how they're accessing it. That's how they're getting all the tools and materials all that way up there. Hello sunshine, get your suntan cream in boots. Oh, I'm not quite sure his hat fits in. Seed pods are barely moving, there's just a little gentle breeze blowing. Winter Gardens. New festoon lights on Victoria Street, and they look lovely at night. This Poundland seems to be... Oh, it's empty. This Poundland seems to be closed. So somebody asked the other day about Poundland, and the other one is open at the sides of the tower. But that one's closed. This is the old W.H. Smith's on the right hand side. Post office. The post office is now open up at Bickerstaff Square next door to the council building. Ice creams. This is the back door of Viva. Viva the variety show. There's another video that you can see on our YouTube channel of behind the scenes when we went to pay a visit just before they reopened on the 17th of May, because their venue was big enough for social distancing. Outside eating, pavements and cafes back to life. Goodness, it is busy. I bet everybody's absolutely pleased to bits that everybody's choosing to come to Blackpool and enjoy the May bank holiday time off. It's lovely to see it looking more normal. And by and large, everybody is being sensible and keeping away from one another. Grand Theatre's quite small and it's not got a lot of space inside, so sadly that can't open until the distancing eases again. But I'm sure as soon as they can, they will. In fact, I'm not sure, I'm certain. There's a man here in a cherry picker. Don't know whether he's going to find any cherries to pick in Blackpool town centre. Marks and Spencer's. I think he's changing light bulbs. Oh look, they're knocking on with this. Excuse me. They're knocking on with this bar that they're converting on the left hand side, look. That's been a building site every time we've come past. Seagull patiently waiting for some pasty. Oh, that's going to look so much better. It looks better with the old Pizza Express signage off. Vintro Lounge Cafe Bar. There you go. Opening here summer 2021. Fancy joining the Loungers family? We're recruiting at theloungers.co.uk/careers. There you go, if you want a job. Oh, that looks nice. Look, they've retiled all this entrance. It's lovely, that. In fact, they've moved it around a bit. They've made it look, I don't know, bigger. Unless it's just me. Well, the kids are enjoying the fountain. I don't think I'd take much tempting to sit underneath it myself. Oh, that's a nice breeze. And that brings us back to where we've ended our tour on other days. At St John's Square, this is a lovely St John's Church. at St John's Square near the Winter Gardens. In fact, to tell you what we will do, we'll just pop up this corner and we'll go and have a look at the Winter Gardens Conference Centre, because I saw some pictures the other day and it looks like it's clogging on nicely. It looks as if it's starting to come together. They're putting the signage up, so that'll be worth seeing. Ready? And it's on the right hand side here. Oh, it is looking posh. Don't know if they're tidying up. So where's the signage then? It must be at the other end. Let's go to the other end and see if we can see the signage that they've put up. I think this downstairs is all clad in glass from what I remember on the drawings. Wow, that's looking better already. That looks such a lot better. Right, let's just have a bob down here and have a look and see whether the signage is on this end. Because I've definitely seen a picture that's got signage on. This is Adelaide Street car park at the left here. Oh, here we go. There you go. You see, I'm not losing my marbles altogether. That's lovely. I really like that. That's going to look stunning. So this is the main entrance at this end. Still got a lot of work to do, and look how they've joined it onto the old building as well. Clever that, I like that. Which brings us round the other side of the Winter Gardens. There's some more scaffolding up there, look. Scaffolding everywhere in Blackpool. So I hope you've enjoyed this video from Visit FYLDE Coast. Make sure that you give it a subscribe. Yep, Prince waiting for Cinderella to arrive. Only in Blackpool. Make sure that you subscribe to the Visit FYLDE Coast YouTube channel. Make sure that you hit that little bell for notifications. And if you've enjoyed this video, give it a like. I think Blackpool's back, folks. And it's lovely to see. And there you go, there's the tower. In fact, if I just move a little bit to the left, you see a bit more of it. Bye for now.